All right, folks. So today we're taking a look at how to make $10 in 10 minutes using your mobile phone. You can also use your computer. But before we do that, please hit the subscribe button. I make videos about making money online. Hit the notification bell as well, so you'll be notified of any new videos. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. There you'll get 2 free websites, a free membership. You don't need a credit card to sign up or anything like that. You just put your email address in and you're ready to go. You get 2 free websites, free membership, free training, a large community of people there to help you out as well, including myself. I will contact you right away. So anyways, folks, let's get into what we're talking about today though. User feel here, remote testing here. Basically, folks, you're going to want to sign up for this website. You can do it on your computer or on a phone, depending on the tests that you're going to need. There's a run of usability tests. They're going to test you out. You have to do a couple tests before you actually get paid. Frequent asked questions here. $10 per test. The test lasts anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes. Home computer or smartphone. Read the following instructions. Watch the example video. Blah blah blah. Go on and go on. Yeah, so folks, you're going to basically just be testing out different websites and different services for people, and get paid for it. So you have to give, like, descriptions of what the problem is. If there's a problem, well, this was hard, this was this, that, the other thing, and you basically just give them the feedback on their websites and you get paid. Again, there is a little trial period where they check out how you're testing, because they don't want you to say, oh yeah, this site's great, because that's not going to be very helpful for other people, with their websites. You got, they want to see if you can take instructions well, and do the tests the right way. So yeah, it's pretty much that. But once you get past the testing, and you can start making the $10 right away. They pay with Amazon gift card or PayPal. So there's that. Let's see the computer system here: Windows or Mac computer, Windows 7 or newer, and again phones as well. What language they speak? There's different languages too. It's not always all in English. So if you speak different languages, that's great as well. So yeah, folks. Obviously, you're not gonna get rich doing this, but it is extra money, and it is for short periods of time. If you really want to make money, make some passive income while you're sleeping, running websites and stuff like that, check out my #1 recommendation below. There's a link in the video description. You get 2 free websites. It's a free membership. You do not need a credit card to sign up or anything like that. It's not a trial membership. It's a free membership. You can upgrade later if you choose to, which is awesome, and you don't have to, which is awesome. And you can check it out totally for free. Check that out as well, folks. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.